Playmakers. Okay. Out on my wrist, counted and spin it. Mad at the coupe, mine with no tenant. Chop out the top, hit it the limits. I got some cash, I wanna spend it. New paper tag.
I'm Mikey Freeman, and we're doing the Sneezing on People prank.
Yeah, I'm Blaze.
You might be happy.
Wireless bill is growing out of control. Cut it in half with Straight Talk Wireless. For just $45 a month, get 25 gigs of high-speed data for half the cost of big carriers. All on America's best networks. No contracts or mystery fees. Straight Talk Wireless. Only one.
I'm just here to hold things, I guess.
Yep. Oh my God, are you? Stay there, stay there.
Help me out. Help me out, bro.
Goodbye, Mikey. Oh my goodness. I'm scared. Gotta hide your head then.
No, ma'am.
Just that much.
You can definitely see his head.
Worker right there. Oh shit. There's a worker right there. Yeah, Mikey is literally right there. I got a boo-boo on my finger.
He just punched it and look.
That's my skin. Ew!
He's just not.
Please, Lord, help this kid. Oh my God.
You want to take a picture? Yeah, go ahead. You want to take a picture? Yeah, you can. Hurry up before work comes.
Hey, do a flip!
Oh. Oh, she lives on my phone. Wait. Bro, I wasn't even recording that.
Dude, I was looking for some toilet paper. Shit. Yeah, get this one, Mikey.
Is it heavy, bro?
Yeah.
It's not.
Oh, John, I'm not gonna make it. What the heck, man? Oh my God, dude.
It's like they fall on the other eye. But we're following the. Where'd they go?
Just drive. I was about to say follow. I was not gonna cuss.
Bro, right or left?
You need me to manual catch like everybody said we follow.
Left.
Yeah, left.
But we're following cops. Should I pull in someone's driveway?
No, bro.
To make it look like we're not following?
Yeah, well, we live down here. No, we don't. But what if we just see like a bunch of people getting shot?
Did they just pull in this house right here?
No.
Dude, they didn't even. They ran the stop sign.
Oh,
they were right,
oh,
bro.
oh.
Record that. That's all the cops we was following, bro.
Oh, yeah, they about to get out. Pull that neighborhood, right? Pull that driveway right there. Uh-oh. Oh, I don't know.
Are you recording?
Yeah, we're going.
Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in.
He's playing with his dog.
This is outrageous, man. We get pulled over.
This is
for
what's
some-
haunted.
some
This is
dumb
what's
stuff.
haunted. Lost. We got ourselves
No,
lost.
I'm supposed to turn around.
We took one turn and we got lost.
Bro, you're gonna make me
You
forget.
are dumb.
Dude.
Bro, my hand is black. Oh. You've had 8 concussions. What can happen?
He's right, bro. Hold on, let me just. Oh, yeah, I can go for that.
All right, he's about to die, guys. Oh, that's my guy. I thought you were about to hit his head, no cap.
Bro, I was so close.
Bro, I thought you were about to hit your head. I'm not gonna lie. Blaze, it's Dumb Dude's TV.
You gotta be louder. These frogs are louder than you.
Go ahead, bro.
Alright, I guess you can get it.
Go ahead, bro.
I don't give a flame. Bro, a cop again. We just keep getting in trouble, bro.
What is it with us, bro? We got pulled over again.
No, we didn't
No,
get
we
pulled
get pulled
over.
over. The cops just came.
That dude over there called the cops on us, bro. He said that there were some kids at the pool, but we was just helping her clean.
You know, helping her clean.
Helping her clean.
Bro,
Get it, Logan. Oh my god!
That's how I'm coming with a 2-piece.
Y'all gonna get a concussion, bro.